around 5 miles an hour in the evening, becoming northeast after midnight. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flood warning for east central Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes the cities of East Mesa, Gilbert, north central Pinal County in southeast Arizona. This includes the cities of Goldfield, Gold Canyon Village, Apache Junction, until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:36 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, heavy rainfall had generally ended across far eastern Maricopa and north central Pinal counties. However, earlier heavy rain has caused flooding and standing water on roads, with adjacent washes flowing at high rates. Therefore, a flood warning has been issued for the area. Motorists may find travel difficult, if not impossible, with water covered in flooded roads this evening. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio KC94.